Hey everybody, just going to go over my day trade today on EXAS, January 9th. This one popped up on both of my scanners. It was a gap up on the daily chart, as you can see here. A couple of things that I should have paid more closer attention to that I'll go over, but this key resistance area of 18 right through here, I didn't give enough credence to that for this trade. Anyway, what I did with this one is on the 1 minute chart over here, as you can see, so gap up, some pre-market action. This thing out of the gate opened up and hit resistance at 1840, which was the pre-market resistance, and pulled back. And this was a pretty straight red pullback. And so I was looking to take this one short. My broker had shares available, so I waited for the entry, and it, again, just like I thought it would pull back up and touched right to the VWAP. And so I was looking at that. It dropped back down, came back up again, and I felt very, very confident about this trade. So set my stop loss at the 1782 level, took this thing short at 1750, and looked like it was going to work out. Part of the problem that I have with this trade today is I was not able to stay at my computer and monitor the trade. So I literally had to put in a range order with my stop loss. And again, was looking for a 3-to-1 risk reward on this one. And so I just set my stop loss and then set my profit target and had to leave. I wasn't able to monitor it. Had I been able to monitor it, I would have easily seen that it formed a double bottom here and probably could have cut my loss a little shorter than even that 3-to-1. But that's okay. It was a very minimal loss and calculated. So that's okay. Hit my stop loss there. Came back to my computer later and a little later through this action and saw that it broke 18 and pulled back. And so I looked to take this long with a risk to 18 and was looking for it to move high a day and keep going towards 19. I figured with the double bottom and then the consolidation right here and then back through 18, pull back to 18, that it would keep going. And so I took a long side trade to this, entering right up in here with a risk to 18. And obviously that didn't work either today. So the takeaways from this trade, I mean, this was just kind of a pretty choppy and sideways. Ultimately, really just kind of staying right around that 18 level, which was that key resistance on the daily chart. And so I didn't lend enough credence to that at the beginning of the trade. But again, I had what I felt was a good setup. Again, had calculated risk to reward. And even though I took 2 losing trades on this, they were, once again, calculated and manageable. So I'm not too bummed about it. It didn't work out. I understand why it didn't work out now, and that's the most important thing. So anyway, always want to try and be transparent as I can. And so that's the trade that I took today. Thanks, guys.